Sales offices need to create sales orders quickly and accurately. With its import sales orders capability, SAP S/4HANA allows sales representatives to use a predefined, customizable Excel template for the upload of multiple sales orders with one click. Here's how it works. In the system, Kate opens the Import Sales Orders app and downloads the predefined template. Opening the template, the field list sheet shows more than 100 mandatory and optional fields for sales order header and items, with clear explanations on how to correctly fill in the data. Based on the instructions, the sales order header and items data, including pricing condition and text information, are entered and ready for import. Back in the system, Kate uploads the spreadsheet and reviews the imported data in a dedicated preview screen. Here, Kate can examine order details to ensure that the detailed order item data, such as product, quantity, customer discount, and text instruction, is complete. She then imports the data. During the order creation, the system performs the necessary order data check and identifies potential data errors. There are 3 sales orders successfully created and 1 where the creation failed. Here, the system identified a mismatch between the product and sales organization and stopped the order creation. Therefore, Kate needs to rework that order entry. The custom field release date has been enabled for the Import Sales Orders app. The template is automatically enhanced with this custom field. In the spreadsheet with the custom field, additional order data has been entered, indicating the release dates for all order entries. Kate uploads the spreadsheet to fill the custom field with the release date data. She imports the data and creates 4 sales orders successfully. The SAP S/4HANA Import Sales Order Fiori app allows internal sales representatives to create multiple sales orders by uploading the order data in an Excel spreadsheet. The resulting reduction of manual effort improves sales productivity and efficiency.